previous session, we worked with different functionality to generate the path. We use different functions to create either straight path or the curved path. We use different settings and the positions and the orientations for creating the path on the rectangular shapes. We also changed the setting of the control volume of the substrate and the tape. Furthermore, we changed the orientations of the laser positions with the tilt and yaw variations. We also add different noodles for the lasers. Now we will have a look how to add the tape rack blade in front of the roller, which is usually used to guide the tape. We first create the path. This is a very simple path, as an example. And what you would like to do is adding an object in front of the tape. This will be a CAD file, and the format should be STL file. Please note that this function only works if you have an NVIDIA GPU. Click on it, and the window will pop up. These three sliders is for adjustment of the position, and these three sliders and the push button for the positioning and the scaling of the tape rack system. To begin with, click on Get STL File. You could select any STL file that you wish. Here we have a default tape rack blade. Add the installation folder. Click on it, and the window will show this. As you see, the size of this tape rack blade is very much. So what we need to do is to scale it. We scale it along the X and Y, Z and positions, something like that. We change it toward the desired size. And I try to make it exactly in front of the roller. So until now seems the size almost appropriate. The next step is to make it at the right positions. So with the flip X and flip Y or flip Z, you could flip it like a mirror. And with the rack position width, you could move it along the width of the tape, and with the thickness, you could do it along the normal of tape. And the rack positions is along the length of the tape, so we could bring it higher or down. I change the orientations of the tape rack blade at the side view, and you will see it like that. So we try to adjust it a little bit further. We bring it like that. We position it like here. We make it a little bit larger at this side, scale Y. And now seems from this angle seems good positions. You will see the total positions here. As it's mentioned before, with this slider, you could move it along the width directions, like that. So it is useful if you have several tapes and you like to adjust it exactly the the blades between them. And this scale is scaled along the Z directions. When it is done, you could close the window, and if you update a new STL file, you could always click on Load and Setting Load. If you close this window, the setting will automatically be saved. So again, if I open the tape rack blade, for example, and go to the setting load, the setting from the previous tape rack system will be updated. So if you open the file, you always need to reopen the tape rack blade. And again, you will see this goes to the original positions, and what you need to do is click on Load and Setting Load. Now it again comes back to the original positions and the setting that you just adjusted. When you are done, you could click on Close. So now, if you move the slider, the whole system of the roller and the tape and the blade will move simultaneously all together.